How to report a product on Amazon. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report any product on Amazon easy and fast. So first thing, go to amazon.com, and now it's not necessary to log in, but I recommend you to log in. Now if you want to report any product, all what you have to do, choose the product that is not good or there is a problem on it and choose it. For example, I choose those ones. I'm not gonna report it because they are good products. I didn't test it to report it, but I'm just gonna show you how. So after you choose the product that you want to report, go down and you will find this blue option that says report incorrect product information. If there is a non-incorrect information right here, you can just click on report and choose the issue type and write the comment here and click submit. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.